Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
I'm your host, and today we have an exciting comparison for you.
It's the battle of the security cameras.
In the left corner, we have the Kasa Smart Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera, and in the right corner, we have the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2K. Let's dive in and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, both cameras have impressive features. The Kasa Smart Camera offers sharp and clear 1080p Full HD video, providing you with high-quality footage right in the palm of your hand. On the other hand, the LaView camera takes it up a notch with its 4MP HD, 2560 by 1440p resolution, delivering ultra-clear image quality day and night.
It's like watching a movie in your living room.
Now let's talk about the pan's tilt functionality. With the Kasa Smart Camera, you can swipe up, down, left, and right on your phone to rotate and set your camera's point of view in real time.
It's like having your own personal cameraman. But wait, the LaView camera takes it a step further with its 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle. Say goodbye to blind spots.
You can capture the entire room with this camera. It's like having eyes all around you.
Security cameras need to work day and night, so let's shed some light on their night vision capabilities.
The Kasa Smart Camera offers night vision up to 30 feet, allowing you to keep an eye on things even in the darkest corners. But the LaView camera brings a star to the night with its advanced Starlight night vision. It provides full-color video even in low-light conditions.
It's like having a night vision superhero protecting your home.
Now let's talk about the smart features that these cameras offer. The Kasa Smart Camera allows you to set your lights to turn on when it detects motion with its smart actions. It's like having your own personal lighting assistant.
On the other hand, the LaView camera offers multi-user sharing, allowing your family and friends to monitor your home as well. It's like having a security squad watching over your property. Finally, let's discuss the price point.
The Kasa Smart Camera comes in at a budget-friendly price of $34, making it a great option for those looking for affordability without compromising on quality.
But if you're willing to splurge a little, the LaView camera is priced at $69.
Remember, you get what you pay for. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's the overall assessment of these cameras. And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the Kasa Smart Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera and the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2K. Both cameras have their unique strengths, so it ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences.
Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping.